A682, route from Gisburn to north of Blacko. Rural area, my concerns and my thoughts are all around potentially agricultural vehicles or the type of vehicle on this road. We're also going to be looking at the road surface issues. It's slightly damp, we're warned of slow on the road, hazard warning line in the centre of the carriageway, large vehicle coming towards us, always going to sacrifice my position for safety. So straight away that's the type of vehicle that I could potentially meet on any of these bends. Large truck, tipper truck type vehicle. Hazard warning line in centre of carriageway, moving out towards that white line to extend our view around this left-hander, in towards the near side for the right-hand bends. Through these series of bends, speed has got to be appropriate. So in other words, it's a constant speed. It's not about accelerating hard and then braking for the bends. We're trying to have a nice flow through these series of bends to keep the bike nice and stable, slow on the road. Large farm up on the hill on the left-hand side, so there's going to be a junction for that farm at some point. Round this right-hand bend, out towards the white line, left-hand bend looking well beyond the vehicles coming towards us. We're looking at any road surface issues, and we're still looking for this farm entrance, potentially any mud or any debris on the actual carriageway. Solid white line in operation. As we come into this left-hand bend now, it's completely blind as we go up and over the top there, and that was the junction in towards the farm. A little bit of debris issues going on there. Long sweeping right-hand bend. Always encourages you to kind of increase the road speed as we go into these right-hand bends. But we're going into a zone of invisibility as we go over the brow of that hill into where all the trees are, oncoming vehicles, signs on the left-hand side giving us some information. Have we got time to read these and take these on board? Base your riding plan on what you can see, what you can't see, what you can reasonably expect to happen, and have a contingency plan when something goes wrong. Now we're warned of a series of bends, so these are going to be probably more severe than the bends we've actually already been through. So the speed's got to be appropriate. It's downhill. It always encourages the bike to kind of run away with you. Look at the size of this vehicle coming towards us. So we've got the appropriate speed, we're in the correct gear, and we're able to remain on our own side of the carriageway as we exit any of these bends. Again, debris issues in the centre of the carriageway there, so our position is spot on for the right-hand bend in towards the near side. If there are any near side issues around debris, I'm always going to sacrifice my position for safety. And whilst I'm doing that, if I have to do that, I've got to reduce speed.